Great. So we have our new AWS EC2 instance, and we're going to presume that you have set up SSH keys for that instance, and we're going to go ahead and log into that instance. So let's pull up a console session, and we're going to log in as the Ubuntu user because this is an Ubuntu instance. And first things first, we want to make sure that we're using the latest and the greatest software. So we're going to do an apt update. And this just makes sure that we pull from the repositories of what the newest versions are, and it puts those into our metadata on our system to be able to know what's out there. And now that we've done that, we can go about actually installing. And we're going to start with a dependency requirement, which is Jenkins is a Java application. So let's go ahead and apt install -y, which the -y just means yes, and so it's not going to prompt us. Default -jdk. JDK is the Java Development Kit, and that's already installed, so it doesn't take any time at all. And now that we've got that, we can install Jenkins. Once again, it's already installed, so we've completed that step. Wonderful. So now we can move on to actually logging into Jenkins and seeing how it works in the GUI.